how you can delete your Snapchat account. Before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our new videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So the first step is open up your Snapchat. Now after you open your Snapchat, just tap on your profile, that is your pet emoji on the top left. And after you do that, just tap on the gear icon on the top right and go to your settings. So after you're there, all you need to do is scroll all the way down. Now under account actions, you will see delete account option. Tap on delete account. After you do that, you will need to just type in your email and password or your username and password. After you do that, you'll be redirected to this page right here that says delete account. So all you need to do here is type in your password, and after you type in your password, just hit on continue and you'll just delete your Snapchat account. And it's that simple, guys, and that is all for the video too. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.